Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Black Ops, Call of Duty Black Ops 1 split screen on PC using Nucleus co-op and added additional functionality of controller support using Plutonium. Plutonium, what you might ask, is a community mod that you can play online and have a controller support for all of these games like Modern Warfare 3, Black Ops 2, Black Ops 1, Zombies, and World at War. So let's get started. First things first, you have to download Plutonium, download it, install it, and it will install all of the required files to run it. And you're going to set up the multiplayer here. You're going to select your games is installed. Go ahead and select Black Ops, right, and select the folder itself. And now you're going to head over to Nucleus Co-op and search for Black Ops 1. Black Ops. Right. It's only a single handler that is going to help you splitting games. So just go ahead and add the exe of Black Ops exe, add it, and once that's done, it's added to your list. So now you're going to replace the original handlers of the Nucleus co-op with the Plutonium version. So what you're going to search is Nucleus co-op Black Ops 1 Plutonium handler specifically, and you're going to go to this guy user in Reddit, user Perseverus, and click on his guide. And he explains pretty briefly. You can also read it over here, but the main thing here is to download this handler that he has created, he or she has created. So go ahead and download it, and you are going to download it and open it, and go back to the Nucleus co-op folder, installation folder. Usually it's C Nucleus co-op, and go to the handlers folder, and you're going to see Black Ops and .js and the file which you download from media file, and open the archive. Use 7-zip for that, and drag and drop it into here. The password for this is 1234, as he stated here in the guide, and you just replace it, replace all of the contents, and now it's officially using the Plutonium handler. So once you go ahead and select it, now you can read all of this pretty much, and select the gamepads now. I got 2 gamepads, so I'm going to quickly lay out how it's going to run, and it's quite convenient. You can use the zombies or multiplayer. I'm going to use multiplayer here, and you can set the graphic settings here if you have a low spec, and you can add the bot number here, like how many can you handle. So 4 would be fine for a LAN. If you're using multi PC and multi split screen, that too is possible over here, but just for the sake of this video, I'm not going to use this. And for LAN party with different, be sure to have different ID as well, right? Each computer having split screen must also use a different ID for that, so make sure that. And the main thing over here is the feature of would you like to unlock everything for this multiplayer? Yes, you can also unlock it, and for the first instance you can It's just like it's a nightmare to listen music from every instance. So you must select this one to enable only on the first instance. Would you like to disable aim assist in zombies? That's for the zombie you can, and you must cap to 60 or even lower if your PC can handle. And you can also do the triggers for the PS layout and stuff. So that's it. I'm going to press hit play. So I'm going to tell you how to set up the lobby and how to join it. So it's going to load the first instance. All right. Strangely enough, my controller is disconnected all of a sudden. My emulator is gone. So I'm going to allow, yep, and the other one also. Okay. So I have no idea what happened, but the emulator just crashed. So I might just want to, yep, checkbox all of these. So each instance can talk to each other on local network. So let the Windows resize and all that Nucleus handle all of that. You can navigate through controllers, right? Or you can just use mouse or Alt Tab. Plutonium version of that. So it's now working. I might have to restart it. I got one error, and since my controller emulator just crashed, so I have to restart it. Restart the Nucleus co-op. Again, you have to be very patient to load all of these games. And just going to do this again, 1, 2. Quickly go over to the settings, zombies, low, the number of the players. So if it's zombie, 1 for the zombies. So the number of the friendly bots, I'm just going to use 4. Number of enemy bots, again 4. You can decrease the numbers. Since I'm 2 instances, it's 4, basically 10 total. And you can bot skill is default, all of that. Music is play. You can see it's using the Plutonium plugin. Going to load the first instance. Just wait until all of the instances are load up and let it finished, and you can just navigate using the Xbox controller. Not happening today, so as you can see, I have already disconnected, but no worries, I'll fix it. We'll use a mouse and keyboard for this, just for the sake of this tutorial, since I'm using emulator anyway. So it should be down here anytime soon, right? Yes, the setup is finished, and finally you can use mouse and keyboard to navigate to, and you just select on the first instance you're just going to select play and a private match or a combat training. No, private match. Set up a private match. You don't go to server. You just set it. You change the map. You set up the game mode. All that. You basically just change the map, right? if you want to, and you just start the match, right? And what you're going to do is, once the first instance loads, you're going to press F2 on keyboard, right? F2, and the other one is going to lock in the other instances. No matter how many instances, 3 or 4 instances, are going to automatically join the local host, right? So you just use auto assign custom, right? And
Do not hesitate.
the other one as well. Auto assign. As you can see, I can play. If the system were the emulator weren't crashing, then it would have been better. But as you can see, it's working perfectly fine. And hope you find it useful. And I'll see you in the next one.